Here are 5 things that you can do to stay energized while traveling. Number 1, it's an obvious one, but you want to eat well. You don't want to grab junk food on the go, especially high processed, carb-laden junk food is going to spike up your insulin. Remember, every 25 grams of sugar suppresses your immune system for up to 2.5 hours. There's 25 grams of sugar in most drinks people are drinking while they're traveling. So I usually stick to fish, eggs, red meat. Plant-based proteins are fine too to keep me satiated all day long, and then I'll do more carbs at night before bed. I also take Organifi protein with me when I travel because it's a complete meal replacement with whole food vitamins. It's amazing. When I do eat out, I look for probiotics. I look for fermented food to help my microbiome as well. I also know that veggies can help with this. I try to eat at least one big, really good salad per day. I'm not like really picky. I don't subscribe to any one diet. My diet would probably be more Mediterranean-ish than anything else. And I do eat red meat often, but it's grass-fed, it's organic, it's high quality. Next up would be obviously hydrating, because planes are super dehydrating. I used to bring like cucumber juice on a plane. People were like, what is this? Like TSA would get involved. So I would bring my green juice, I would buy a water at the airport, and then I would just drink my green juice on the plane to help me hydrate. And with the ashwagandha in it, lowers stress, you just feel better on the plane. So think about it like this. When you're dehydrated, you dry up like the Mojave Desert. You get cracked, right? Your respiratory system, the mucosal lining. And this is when all these pathogens and these little foreign invaders can start to do their way and creep in on you. These barriers are essential for trapping debris and germs, preventing them from entering your body. When compromised, it becomes easier for pathogens to invade. Dehydration can also exacerbate respiratory problems, conditions like asthma, COPD, allergies, all of this, which is why I love to hydrate with Organifi Glow. It's got the tremella mushroom. It's also got all the electrolytes in there, which can be extremely hydrating, by the way. I also carry a portable humidifier. It's just a small one. You could even screw a water bottle into it. If that's all you have, a little humidity at night goes a long way. Number 3, stay active. Reset your circadian rhythm right away. Start your day with stretching, do some flowing, Tai Chi or Qigong, or if you feel like more of a workout, push-ups, lunges, squats, or hitting up the hotel room gym. I love traveling to do gyms and just checking them out. There's a lot of great gyms in this world, and I love being around the people and meeting the trainers and the different characters that go to the gym every single day. It can be a lot of fun. And this is the best place for them to tell you what the local hotspots are too. So you can do some of their local stuff while you're traveling. Number 4, managing stress. Travel is super stressful, or it can be. Divorce rates tend to spike after vacation. Did you know that? This is research from the University of Washington, and it found that divorce rates increase in August and March following summer and winter vacations, respectively. Couples often end up after vacation with resentment, or they're on this high of feeling like they were going to resolve some of the ongoing things, the systemic issues in the relationship. However, when they come home, they just binge drank and hung out with their friends the entire vacation, and they didn't really solve any things in the marriage. That's why it magnifies existing issues. So if you are going to go on vacation, make it a plan to be present. Connect with your wife, connect with your husband in a deep way. Make this the challenge, right? This is going to lower your stress long term. You're going to feel more connected than you ever have. I think it's so important to travel, especially the longer you're married together, doing things together. If you also want to lower your stress while traveling, of course, I'm a big breathwork guy. 4-7-8 method. Breathe in 4 seconds, out 7 seconds, hold it for 8 seconds. You'll feel your stress levels start to shift while traveling. And you can even see it on the Aura Watch or the Whoop or however you're tracking this. Breathing like this actually reduces the acidity in your blood, especially when you breathe through your nose, which is where most of the nitric oxide in your body is created. Even a few minutes of meditation can clear your mind, improve your mood. You could use an app to meditate every single day, or just set a little egg timer or your clock on your phone. You can also load up on happiness boosting superfoods like ashwagandha, which is in our green juice, or like the happy drops that I tried when we first started this video. 30 milligrams of saffron. There's been 28 clinical trials on this stuff, and it's been shown to improve mood big time. There's also Organifi's red juice and Shilajit, which are also fantastic to get the blood flowing. You know what I'm talking about. And you could pack some Organifi Gold to help you sleep at night. Number 5, I would say, would be effective time management while you travel. Try to go to bed at the same time and wake up same time every single day. There's been so much scientific literature around this as of lately. Your circadian rhythm is set. You want to make sure that you're tuning into this. And for me, being a new girl dad, it's even more important to make sure that my circadian rhythm is fully fired up, because there's a lot more to do. Diaper changing, with watching the baby, with working during this time, like everything else. It is a lot. So checking in with you, new parents. Are you taking time for yourself? Are you doing your morning ritual? Are you working out? Are you doing everything that you know you need to do? Stay energized, stay improving your health. Feeling fully recovered while traveling really does take a holistic approach. So focus on good nutrition, staying active, practicing mindfulness, and using a few biohacks, and you'll be on top of your game. Plus, you'll get to enjoy family time in a deeper way versus most of these families just have surface level activities. Go deep, stretch your family, be the weird person in your family. And I promise you, your life will continuously get better, even on the go. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together. Leave a comment below. This community is all about giving back to the community of your favorite travel hack. The juicer winner from last week and the Organifi goodies is... And if you like this video, check out this right here. You're gonna love this. Watch it.